Now, I would be requesting Dr. Ajay Mahajan to speak a little bit about Shiksha Shilpi, whose two activities we had released. I will let him to speak, but he is the coordinator of the Shiksha Shilpi. He has done his doctoral program, and he is secretary for the Latur Science Center in Maharashtra. He is the national controller of examination of this Vidyarthi Vijnana Manthan. More than 100,000 students participated. He is author of the book Prayogatun Siddhant Kade, Marathi book, and he has also received Best Science Teacher Award by Professor C.N.R. Rao. When I was in Tata Institute in my master's and PhD days, C.N.R. Rao was the director at that point of time. But with that brief introduction, Ajay ji, floor is yours.
Thank you. Namaskar, pranam, and good evening to one and all. On this occasion of Guru Vandana program, I, Dr. Ajay Mahajan, National Convener of Shiksha Shilpi, warmly and cordially welcome you all the luminaries, scientists, teachers, Atmiya Karyakartas, and the members of this virtual gathering. As you all know that Shiksha Shilpi is a new initiative and brainchild of Vigyan Bharati, going to a great start today. After the Guru Vandana program, the Ahar Kranti online lecture series, which is a part of various activities, are undertaken by Shiksha Shilpi to reach more than 32 crore students via our incredible teachers. Shiksha Shilpi's Ahar Kranti online lecture series is a part of interactive sessions on balanced positive nutrition. It is open to every teacher, that is from primary school to college level. There are sessions on every Monday starting from 26th July to 23rd August at 7 p.m. We are also issuing the e-certificates to every successful participant. For more information and registration process, please visit our website shikshashilpi.vvm.org.in. I humbly appeal to all teachers across the country who participate in today's Guru Vandana program. The program will help us in our future course of action. We will be better placed in delivering awareness of balanced nutritious diet through Ahar Kranti, which we call it as a revolution through camera and script. The Shiksha Shilpi's Ahar Kranti competition is a perfect mixture of chalk and the challenge, and specially designed for our beloved teachers who are the architect of the society. So come, let's be a part of Ahar Kranti, a nationwide movement for positive nutrition. As you know, this competition will be in three categories: Group 1, Group 2, and Group 3. There will be no language barrier, as you can express your idea in either English or Hindi or in your own official state language. You can express your views in the way you like, which includes storytelling, poetry, paper presentation, essay, poster, mind map, and many more options which will be available and comfortable to you. There were more than 1.5 lakh cash prizes for winners at the national level. The last date to register this type of the competition is 30th September 2021. So I welcome you all, our teachers, who are not only the end users, but as I said, the architect of Indian education system, and show your talent by participating in the competition. Thank you very much.
Wonderful, Ajay ji. Thank you very much. Very, very inspirational and very motivational. I don't know whether you shared the numbers of how many teachers have registered for the trained program. Would you like to share it for the audience? One
I have
answer.
shared.
Okay, please.
3529.
Okay, it's a 3,529 teachers have registered for this lecture series. Abhinandan Shiksha Shilpi.